Flixier makes it super easy to adjust the playback speed of your videos. Here's how you do it. First, go to Flixier.com and click Start Editing. Then, upload the video from your computer or any of the sources listed here. Once your video is uploaded, drag it down to the timeline and select it. Go to the Video Speed section of the Object Inspector menu and use the slider to increase or decrease the speed of your video. You can pick from common preset values just by clicking these buttons at the top of the slider. Alternatively, you can change the speed by holding down the Shift key and dragging the right edge of your video on the timeline. You'll see that the playback speed is indicated by this number. A rabbit icon indicates that the video is sped up, while a turtle icon indicates that it was slowed down. Remember that changing the speed of your clips will also alter their duration, which means they might take up more or less space on the timeline. If you're working on a project with multiple clips, make sure you adjust the timeline accordingly to avoid any gaps or overlapping. That's all you need to know about adjusting video speeds with Flixier. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy editing!